Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about a problem I had with a screw in one of my tires. I had rolled the passenger window down and realized that there was a ticking sound, and it turns out that when I pulled over to take a look, that the screw was picked up in the tire. Now, it looks like it wasn't leaking, the air pressure was fine, but the next question was what to do about it. So there's a couple ways to repair the tire. One would be using the tire sealant that's located in the frunk. So I attached a video of someone who did a really nice job putting together a video on how to fix this flat using the sealant kit. However, I'm not using it because I wasn't losing any air from the tire, and also I was worried about contaminating or ruining the TPMS sensor in the tire as well, as some websites had commented as being an issue. The second option is using a tire plug kit, which you can use if the hole is a small, within a few millimeters size and within the patchable area shown here. I actually carry a slime tire plug kit with me in the frunk for an emergency, so if I did have a problem I could patch it. However, after doing some research, I decided not to do this because it appears to be at best a temporary solution based on most of the information I could find, so it didn't seem like the best option to do. The third option is doing a tire patch or slash patch and plug, and it seems to be regarded as a more permanent solution rather than just the plug only, and safer. And it's a longer solution, and hopefully will last the lifetime of the tire. If you look at the different types of patching, here we see plug only. There's a possibility of some corrosion going into the metal belts. The patch only can come in from the outside, so both either patching or plugging have their problems. If you look at the recommendation from the NHTSA, they recommend doing both the plug and patch method as being the safest and most reliable way to repair a tire. So I also found a local tire shop that would repair the tire for free. Because patching requires removing the tire from the wheel, and that's something that's really not, most of us don't have the equipment to do that at home. So I went ahead and did the professional repair with a national tire company, and they did a great job, and the seal is holding up really well. It's holding air really well in the tire. However, they used a jack that did not have the proper jack pad, and unfortunately I have one, but I did not have it with me in the car. So they ended up jacking the car up without a pad and insisted it was okay. Upon inspection, it looks like there wasn't any damage that I can see, so I think I was okay this time, but my recommendation is make sure to bring a jack pad with you at all times. So in summary, the better thing to do is to do the plug and patch repair rather than just a plug only. Unfortunately, it does require tire removal. Plug only is okay for emergency until a proper repair can be done, although it's hard to verify if it has been done properly, so that's the risk. Proper repair can last the lifetime of the tire, and some tire shops will do the free NHTSA approved tire plug and patch repair, so it's not really worth trying to do it at home and do a partial repair job and take that risk. Professional installers tell me they don't like the mess with the sealants, and there is some possibility of messing up the tire pressure sensor and fouling it up, so don't use it if you don't need to, would be my recommendation. Although if you need to, use it, of course. And of course, then keep the jack pad adapter in your car, because I was surprised that the professional tire guys did not have the jack pads, and did not seem to think that that was a problem not to use them. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more in the future.